Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to restore this PC icon in Windows 11. The first thing we will do is validate that the icon does not exist on the desktop. Now right-click there and select Personalize. Now open the Theme section. Click on Desktop Icon Settings. In this window, check the box Computer, click on Apply and OK. Now you will be able to see the shortcut for this PC on the desktop. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.